Perfect. Thank you for a bit patient. We are in time. It's 9 o'clock, and at my time, I'm sitting here in Switzerland. Happy to be with you, and I'm very proud to hold this first official meeting of our new product and our exciting pre-launch of our new product package, BC package. So welcome on board of our meeting today. As you might know, before I'm going into the details of our package, I would like to talk a bit about the Bitcoin at all, the value of the cryptocurrency and the cryptocurrency at all, and the acceptance of cryptocurrency is increasing worldwide. Only the Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin is the leading cryptocurrency, as you might know, had an increase of more than 100% over the last 9 to 12 months. Isn't that unbelievable? And that's in my belief, only the beginning of a story of the currency, cryptocurrency in the future, because all the experts, when we are talking to experts or when you listen to experts, wherever, everybody believes that the increase of the Bitcoin will be more than 400% within the next 1 or 2 years. Why? Very easy. There is only a certain amount of Bitcoins available in the world. And as the cryptocurrency Bitcoin will be legalized and accepted all over the world, more and more, with a limitation of Bitcoins, it's clear that the price, the value of the Bitcoin will increase dramatically. So that's the situation. And if you might realize, there are already Bitcoin machines all over the world, and in total there are more than 1,000 Bitcoin machines now. And as a matter of fact, when I'm here in Zurich in Switzerland, when I'm at the train station here, the main train station, I can cash out money from a Bitcoin machine here in Switzerland, and that's all over the world the case. So this is a very exciting story, and everybody who knows our program so far, our Forex trading program, knows that since we have started and since we have opened the possibility for our partners to open their own Forex trading account with our connected broker, every account so far and every investment is making money. There is not even one account which is in debt, and every account is making money. So this is our experience. This is our experience, and this is what we can come up with since the last 8 or 10 years as an expert of Forex trading automatic software developer. So far, that program is fantastic. You can purchase a software, you can open your own broker account, and you can start with 1,000 euros or more to trade with our automatic software. But the point is, even though that you can start with $1,000 at your own broker account with an investment of $600 of our fantastic software, the problem is there are many peoples out there with even not $1,000 available, which they can invest and make money or more money out of their money. And that's something we realized during the last months, that we need something for all the people out there in the world to increase their own investment, to make money on their own investment, but not only based on 1,000 euros, because 1,000 euros for many peoples out there in the world is a lot of money. That's why we were thinking about a new product, and now I'm really excited to announce that we're going to start and introduce today with our first official English webinar, our new product with the name of BTC package. And you now have the possibility to participate on our profit of Bitcoin mining and trading. This is where we come from. That's our experience. That's our profession. And that's where we are able to create even more money out of Bitcoin in the Bitcoin world by trading and mining and using all the possibilities to increase our investment and to making money out of the markets. And you are now in the position to participate on our profession. So what does it mean? From now on, and we are in a pre-launch phase, from now on, you can purchase a BTC package in our back office, in your back office, in Bitcoin with the value of 50 euros. So everybody who's able to invest 50 euros, which is more or less $55, can make an investment, and from there, over a period of 140 working days, you can make 1% per working day as a return of capital with a total of 140% over a time period of 140 working days. What does that mean? I need to invest 50 euros in Bitcoin value. I get a return of investment every day with around 1%. And at the end of 140 working days, I will get back 140% in euro value, 70 euros in total. And isn't that fantastic? There's a possibility now to invest 50 euros only and to make a real investment improve of 40% within 140 working days. As an example, let's assume that you do not purchase one package. Let's assume that you purchase 20 packages at one time with the value of 1,000 euro in Bitcoins. And over a runtime of 140 working days, you're going to have a return of capital in the value of euro of 1,400 euros. In other words, you are making 400 euros interest within the time of 140 working days. But that is only calculated in euros. So this, as we are taking Bitcoins and as we are paying daily Bitcoins back as a return of capital, the total might be much higher. Imagine that over a time period of 140 working days, which is around 70 months, the increase of Bitcoin will be, let's assume, 20 or 30%. Then you are going to participate daily on the increase of the Bitcoin out of our daily return of capital payment to your Bitcoin account in our back office. Isn't that fantastic? There are purchase limits for the purchasing of our BTC packages. You can buy a maximum of 200 BTC packages, and I can tell you, since we have started last Friday unofficial with our first presentation and our first announcement of the availability of the purchase possibility in our back office, people are buying packages, not only one, not only 5. Some of them, within the last 1 hour, we received 2 purchases, each of them with 10,000 euros, with the maximum of 200 BTC packages. This is the case, and as I'm getting always an email over our Bitcoin wallet company account, I get emails on almost every couple seconds with the purchase of BTC packages. So the purchase limit for our partners will be at one day 200 BTC packages. Within a week, a maximum of 400. That means 2 times 200 or whatever, but a maximum of 400 packages. Within a month, 500 BTC packages and a maximum of a total of 2,000 BTC packages you can have in your account and activated in your account with a daily return of capital. So more details about our product. Daily payment of the return of capital, as I mentioned already. In other words, every day the system is calculating out of our trading and mining results the return of capital, and you get the payment out of your active packages directly into our BTC Bitcoin account. You can daily withdraw the returns of commissions. In other words, you can take out the money daily. There is a minimum of payout of 10 euros. So everything above 10 euros, you can click on the button withdraw and you can take it back to your Bitcoin wallet. Commissions and returns can be immediately reinvested into new BTC packages. And I tell you what, this is the most exciting part of our business. Imagine, let's assume you're going to have 100 packages, and always when there is a 50 euro value in Bitcoins on your account in our back office, you can automatically rebuy one or as many packages as you can buy based on your value on your account. And this results in a highly profitable compound interest effect, if you know what I mean. So let me show you, let me tell you more about what I'm talking about. Assuming that you are investing in the value of, with the value of 1,000 euro, 20 packages. So 50 euro, one packages, you're going to buy 20 packages, and the runtime will be 140 working days. And out of this, 1% of return of capital per day. In other words, every day the return of your capital will be 10 euros. 1% out of 1,000, 10 euros. In other words, after 5 days, you earned or you have a return of capital already of 50 euros. So you are able to purchase or rebuy another package so that you have, instead of 20 packages, 21. So what does that mean over a certain time period? Look at this. Now we made a time journey. And as I said, after 5 days, you were able to buy another package. Let's assume that you will always rebuy a package over a time period of 250 days. That means, in other words, over 1 year. That's just an example, and it's up to everybody and everyone whether or not he wants to reinvest or he wants to take out his daily capital. But assuming that you're going to reinvest whenever you have 50 euros or more in Bitcoins on your account, you're going to make out of 20 packages, 115 packages within 1 year. Imagine 115 packages within 1 year with a value. The initial value was Bitcoins with the value of 1,000 euros. And after 1 year, your account value or your package value will be, based on 1% return of capital, 5,750 euros. That's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the compound interest effect. So this is the possibility with only 20 packages within a time frame of 250 working days, which is a year. That's just one example. And this is, I can tell you, the only program where you are able to directly or immediately and also automatically, if you want, reinvest your return of capital and increase your investment value within whatever time period you are wish to reinvest, an enormous compound interest effect. This is the most exciting part of our new product. Let me show you some additional examples. Here's an example where, and by the way, this is our return of capital calculator. You can find it in your back office at the dashboard, and it shows exactly what you can see here. You can type in the amount of packages and the amount of working days. So how many working days will I reinvest automatically? And at the end of the day, you can see my investment was 2.21 Bitcoins. And after 250 days, I own 282 packages. In other words, 9.75 Bitcoins out of 2.21 Bitcoins on my account. And the daily return of capital will be already 0.12 Bitcoins per day. In other words, this is a residual income of 0.12 Bitcoins per day. And it's up to everybody to keep on going with this and take out partially or everything as a return of capital, or just keep on going and reinvesting as long as you want to increase your capital. This is an example with 50 packages. let me show you another example with 200 packages. And as I said, during the last 30 minutes or 40 minutes, we received within 5 minutes 2 investments of 10,000 euros, or in other words, 200 packages. Congratulations, by the way, to the investor. And with 200 packages, let's have a look at this. This is a value of around 9 bitcoins and 200 packages. At the end of the time period of 250 working days, it turns out into 1,147 packages. 1,147 packages out of the permanent reinvest of your return of capital. And that means, in other words, you own around 40 bitcoins on your internal USI Bitcoin account. So this is in Bitcoins. Imagine 200 Bitcoins or 200 packages was a value of 10,000 euros. And it turns out into 40 Bitcoins. Imagine the Bitcoin value within 1 year is double as high as it is at the moment. So therefore, it is not only that you doubled your 10,000 euros, it is 40 times, maybe instead of 1,000 euro or 1,100 at the moment, 4 times 2,200 euros, depending on the increase of the Bitcoin, of course. But that's more than possible. That's more than possible. And I want to show you another, of course, that's an extreme example, but I want to show it to you anyway. This is the maximum of packages you could have in our system, 2,000 packages in our account. Within a time frame of 250 working days, it's a start with 88 bitcoins. And at the end of the time period, it turns out into 11,519 packages instead of 2,000 packages. And that's a value of 397 bitcoins. In other words, if you compare it with the money today, it was an invest of 2,000 packages, of course. That's a lot of money. By the end of the day, this is a €500,000 compared with the value today. Isn't that fantastic? And this is what makes our product unique, exclusively, and exciting. And I can tell you, since we have been working like crazy during the last 2 or 3 months in order to make it possible for you to invest in this genius product. But I can tell you, I can't sleep anymore since we have been starting with this program. And this is something I can tell you that's going to take off worldwide. After all the feedbacks that we have received so far, I can tell you this is going to be a success story, unbelievable. And this is, by the way, what makes rich people rich, by investing their capital, reinvesting their capital to make even more money out of it. That's exactly the effect. So you can either take your invested capital on a daily basis back into your wallet, no problem at all, whether you need it for whatever, or you want to invest it in something else, or you can do it like the rich people in this world. You can immediately and permanently reinvest it in our system. And I have been showing you the effect, and that's unbelievable, unbelievable. There are questions here, and by the way, this is so far, I was talking only about the product and customers. All what you have seen so far in my presentation is your investment or anyone's investment and the return of capital. Nothing to do so far with our network income possibility. This is just for customers. And with this product, you can go out, you can ask everybody to invest 50 euros or more in Bitcoins, and you can ask everybody to get a return of capital of 40% within a certain time frame. This is a fantastic product, and I believe with the 50 euro product in Bitcoin, everybody, almost everybody in this world is able to participate in this fantastic business chance. But let's talk about our network marketing part. Of course, as you all know, our business is the network marketing business. And let's have a look into the commission plan of this fantastic USI Tech BTC package program. this is our USI Tech BTC package commission plan. And let me explain it a little bit. Whenever you find a person who is going to invest in a BTC package or in more than one package, you will always get, without any restrictions, without any qualification from your direct customers, always 10%. So assuming that he's going to invest in 20 packages, you will get 20 times 10%, which is more or less $5.50 or €5 for each package. In other words, 20 times €5. But let's assume that this customer is going to rebuy whenever he has enough money. In our example, 20 packages over a time period of 5 days, if we have seen it before in my example. Let's assume that he's going to reinvest in another package. Whenever any customer of your direct customer is reinvesting in a new package, you will get 10% of each new package. And I can tell you, most of the customers will reinvest. Why shall they not take the chance to participate on this genius effect of compound interest effect? They will reinvest, or at least many of them will reinvest. And you will always, with every reinvestment, you will participate with 10% of each package. So, but we do not have only direct commission. We also have commission over a 12 uni-level commission plan. The 12 uni-level commission plan pays out over 12 compressed levels. In other words, we are only counting the levels where partners with qualifications are in place. In other words, the 12 levels from the bottom to the top payment could be 20 levels or 40 levels or 50 levels, because we are always searching for 12 qualified positions upwards for the 35% of commission. So we are paying 35% commission in order to be able to participate in more than only direct commission of your direct customers or partners. You must be either already, and that is the nice and a smart part of all the partners which are in place already. You are already qualified with the Forex qualification program. In other words, if you're already qualified within the Forex program, you are also fully qualified for the commission of our USI Tech BTC package program. If not, if you are a new partner, a new customer, if you would like to or you want to participate in our commission plan, all you need an agency license with €600 based on Bitcoins. You need to purchase an agency license, and you also need to have at least permanently 3 partners in your first line, direct partners, so to say, with at least each of them 12 BTC, active BTC packages. So with this in place, an agency license, your own agency license, and 3 partners with at least 12 BTC packages, or already qualified with the Forex program, you participate on 12 level deeps on this commission plan. And by the way, if you are qualified for the BTC package program with your own agency license and 3 partners with 12 BTC packages, you are also qualified for the commission plan in the Forex program. So whenever someone is buying our Forex software for the broker account automatic trading, you are also participating on the direct commission, on the 3x3 matrix commission, on the coded bonus, vice versa. And again, more about the commission plan. The payout is, as I mentioned already, over 12 unique levels. Each agency license fee is distributed according to the rules of the Forex software fee. In other words, everybody who's buying an agency license, the income on our side of the agency license will be distributed for commission in the same way as the Forex software. The €600 will go directly into 20% of the direct sponsor matrix commission, as we are paying it for the Forex software, and coded bonus as we are paying it for our Forex software. The same distribution of, so we don't keep that money in our pocket. We will pay it in commission with in total 74% to our partners. So this is the part of our genius commission plan, and we will place all the information in our back office, and we will give you all the informations about our commission plan within the next days during our pre-launch phase, which will be until the end of March or 1st of April latest. And you can have all the informations in this time in videos and documentations and your back office, and with many other webinars which we're gonna held all over the world. So another information for you during the pre-launch phase, now whenever someone is investing 1 Bitcoin or more into our packages with one purchase, 1 Bitcoin or more, he will get 1 BTC package free from us as USI Tech. So assuming that you're going to invest 1 Bitcoin or more in 20 packages or more, you will always get for the purchase, and for each purchase 1 Bitcoin or more, 1 package free during our pre-launch phase until the end of March. Okay, let me show you a picture of our new dashboard. So for everybody who was not in his own back office so far, this is our new dashboard. Just to give you a short introduction, you can see the active packages, the active purchase packages, which are running in a daily or working day return of capital. In other words, we are paying return of capital 5 days a week, every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And the payout of the return of capital will always be after midnight. So what does that mean? Payment for Monday will be after midnight on Tuesday. Payment for Tuesday will be after midnight on Wednesday, and so on. And the last payment for the 5 working days will be on Saturday for Friday. The next payment again on Tuesday, and so on and so on. This is how we are going to distribute the return of capital into your account. And the second square here, you can see the total of Bitcoin value in your account, which is a total of your return of capital out of your own active BTC packages, and in addition, the return of commission out of your network marketing business, out of all your partners, out of the 12th level unilevel commission plan. And here you can see the total at all since we have been starting, and your last payout and the total of payout at all. 3 buttons on the right side. The first one is shop, where you can buy PTC packages, and the second one is rebuy, where you can buy BTC packages out of your total in your account. So a maximum of rebuy out of the total of your Bitcoins in your account. And the last one, the yellow one, is you can transfer or withdraw the maximum of the amount of your Bitcoin account directly into your wallet. Daily if you want, but not lower than 10 euros converted in Bitcoins. So the withdrawal is possible with 10 euros in Bitcoins or higher. So this is what you can find in your new bank. On the left side, there are different listings and informations where you can see each of your purchase and your packages. You can see the daily return of or the return of capital for each day. You can also find more details about the packages. You will find your commission there, and so on and so on. So everything is prepared. You can start to purchase the packages, and the first return of capital will be tomorrow. As we have Monday today, the first return of capital for all the purchase packages will be already tomorrow. So again, I can tell you I'm totally excited, and although we have been working like crazy during the last 2 months. We are really totally excited, and that's just the beginning. I can tell you this will be a success story at all. As I can see it, every partner, everybody I'm talking with is absolutely excited like me about this product. It's fantastic, and it's so easy. And with 50 euros and a return of capital of 40% in such a short time frame, the possibility to reinvest and to earn money with your partners. And this is something I can tell you that's more than fantastic, more than fantastic. And let me have a look into the questions here in the chat. Maybe I can answer you some questions. The exciting ones. Every Bitcoin package comes up with a price of 50 euros plus €1.50 of mining license fee. So in other words, the company needs to take €1.50 for each package, and 50 euros goes into the trade. That's it. And from there on, we are creating money over the time period of 140 working days. Can you use to pay for UCOM as an e-wallet? No, you must transfer from any e-wallet out there. Or yes, you can use it, of course. Why not? If you have bitcoins in to pay for you can directly transfer it to the USI Tech company wallet. Why not? Of course. Wherever you are able to transfer money from a wallet to our company wallet, you are able to purchase BTC packages. So if you have money in your 2P for your account, you can convert it into Bitcoins, and from there you can send it during over our purchasing process, BTC package process, into our wallet. That's possible, of course. When does the trading start? It starts within the next days. And we are not only trade, we also will start with mining in our own mining process. And we have not only one, but many possibilities out of our profession and our experience during the last 8 or 10 years to create money. So there is real money which we are earning with the total of all incoming bitcoins, and it is not fresh money feeds old money. There is a real income, and that's the big difference to the most systems out there, where the system ends when fresh money is not able to pay old money. So we are creating out of our experience, as you can see it already on our Forex accounts, we are creating money, and that is the basis of our possibility to let you share on our success. This is what I can say to this. The free BTC packages, by the way, are not added to your purchases at the moment. Sorry for that. But you can be sure that everybody who has purchased one Bitcoin or more will get his free packages during the next days. As we are in the middle of many details in our pre-launch phase, which we have to distribute in our back office to you, better listings, and optimization of our overview, and so on and so on. You will get everything which we have promised within the next days. Okay, that was it from my side. Thank you very much for participating. And I'm really excited, and I hope we're gonna see us very soon or hear from each other very soon. And I'm very happy to be part of this genius business possibility. Wish you all success and all the luck and all the happiness in whatever you are doing. And hope we will see each other personally during our USA tour or Asia tour and so on. Thank you very much, and take care of you, and bye-bye.